This old guitar told me to sing a love song, showed me how to laugh and how to cry. It introduced me to some friends of mine, and brightened up the day. It helped me make it through some lonely night. What a friend to have on a cold and lonely night. This old guitar gave me my lovely lady, opened up her eyes of years to me. It brought us close together, and I guess it broke my heart. It opened up the space for us to be. What a lovely place and a lovely space to be. This old guitar gave me my life, my living, all the things you know I love to serenade the stars that shine when it's sunny outside, but most of all to sing our songs for you. I love to sing our songs for you, yes I do. And I love to sing my songs for you. Well, I did that pluck those other sore fingers again with a song from John Denver called This Old Guitar, which I don't know if many of you have the same feeling as me, but it sounds very, very similar to a song called Streets of London by Ralph McTell, but maybe it's just me. Okay, standard tuning, but I have a capo on the 1st fret for this. This was taken from a live version that John Denver did. Okay, he had played it in D flat or C sharp. Okay, I think on the recorded version he has a capo on the 2nd fret, but this was a live version and he did it with a capo on the 1st fret. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction to start with, the chords on this song are generally fairly straightforward, nothing too tricky on this. Okay, so it starts off with a C chord, and what I'm doing, it's basically hitting the root note, picking a couple of notes and strumming. It's like that sort of thing. So I'm hitting the root note, 3rd on the 5th there from the C, and then the 4th string and the 3rd string, and then doing a sort of strum, yeah? Okay, and then I'm doing the same thing on a G chord, bottom E string on the 3rd fret there. Again, sort of a couple of arpeggiated notes and a strum. So C, G, then we're playing an A minor, root note, 5th string open, then an E minor, root note, bottom E string, then an F. You can play an F bar chord or just a straightforward simple F, whichever, and then a G chord. So let's just do that again, because we get into a bit of a fast bit after that. So C, G, A minor, E minor, F, G. Right, that's as far as we've got. Yeah, now comes a little rundown. Starts on the C. What we're doing here is, if you listen to the record or the way he's playing it, I heard it, because there's like a it goes up, da da da. That's what you hear. Okay, that's the melody on the run. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the root note again on the C, but I'm going to the second string and then going, so third on the fifth, then the second string on the first fret there, third string, fourth string, okay. Then I'm doing this, I'm going to a partial E minor 7th or a partial G chord, I suppose you could call it. I'm playing the the 5th string on the 2nd fret with my 2nd finger, and my pinky's taking over on the 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string, and it's the same idea. You hit the 5th string, then the 2nd string this time, 3rd string, 4th string. So it's, sorry, it's, I have to if I get my pinky to work properly. Okay, so you can hear that coming up, yeah? 2nd string rising. And then what we do is we play an A minor 7th, so it's a C chord basically without the 3rd finger, open 5th string, and you play the open 5th string and then the top E string this time. So it's the top E string, 2nd string, 3rd string this time. So it's okay. And then the final thing on this rundown is keeping that A minor 7th shape. Add your 3rd finger to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret. Hit that note, and then go back to the 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string. So it's bottom, so it's a C chord with G in the bass, or A minor 7th with G in the bass. Okay, so put that finger up to the 3rd fret bottom E string, 3rd finger, hit that note, then holding this shape, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string. So now the whole run is something like that. If you hit the odd different note, it doesn't matter too much, okay? But that's the gist of it. So C to the partial G chord or E minor 7th, A minor 7th, and then E minor 7th or C with G in the bass. So you got that bass run. You got the bass run going down as well. But at the same time, this note's going. So it's like harmony going on there, yeah? So from the beginning, let's get that to the end of this run then. So from the beginning of the intro, here we go. A minor, E minor, F, G, C rundown. So let me do it again. Okay, and then we do an F, and then we do a G suspended. So it's a G chord with the 1st finger playing the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And then off, just a basic G chord, right? G suspended to G. And then it comes in C, and then we start the verse. Sorry. This old guitar. And then the chords are very similar to the intro. Well, they're the same, but there's more of them. They just repeat various bits, okay? So you've got basically there all the chords that are in the song that we've done for the intro, okay? Make up the verse. Okay, so once again, let's do the intro. C, G, A minor, E minor, F, G, C rundown, F, G suspended, G, right, C. This old G guitar taught me to A, C, E minor love song, F, show me how, G to laugh and how, C rundown try. He did F, he introduced me to song, G, friends of mine. C run down, brighter absent D. F, help me make G live through so lonely. C run down again. F, friends we have on a G cold and lonely. C run down again. F, G suspended, G, second verse. This old G guitar gave me a minor, E minor lady. F, opened up G, her eyes and ears. C run down. F, brought us close, G together. C run down again, I guess it broke her heart. F, opened up G, a space for us. C run down again. F, what a F, lovely place. G, a lovely space. G run down again. C run down again. F, G, suspended, G, last verse, C. This old G guitar gave me A minor line, E minor for living. F, all of G things I love. C run down. F, G stars that shine from a C run down again from the afternoon. F, and most of all, G to sing my song. C run down again. F, I love to sing my songs. G for C run down again. You see you. F, I love to G sing my songs. C run down again. F, G suspended, slow down, G, C. And that's the basis of the song. So all the verses are exactly the same to play. Okay, apart from I think the last verse has an extra line on it, but it's basically the same to play. Okay, same sort of sequence, F, G, run down, F, G, run down at the end there. Okay, so there you have it, my good friends. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.